Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 4,182 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire, this vehicle would fail for the decibel limit on the exhaust, but in New York, this is not a problem. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 830 seconds, and the front right at 830 seconds. The rear is at 530 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's pitting on the right wheel, holes drilled in the tail section, and scratches on the front compartment cover. This vehicle has one key and comes equipped with ABS and reverse. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket windshield, LED headlights, and an aftermarket slip-on exhaust. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.